Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello everyone. Today, we're creating a cute drawing of a baby and a teddy bear with toys. Let's get started. First, I draw the baby's hair shape and 2 ears. Then, I add the eyes, eyebrows, nose, and a happy little mouth.
Uh-oh.
Next, I draw the baby's body shape, including the 2 hands and legs.
Yippee!
Wow!
Yeah!
Once the baby is complete, I add some toys on the right side of the baby.
Yoo-hoo!
Now, it's time to draw the teddy bear.
Yes!
I start with the teddy's face shape, followed by the ears, eyes, eyebrows, nose, and mouth. Then, I draw the body, legs, and 1 toy in front of the teddy.
Wow!
Now, let's move on to coloring. First, I color the baby's hair black.
Yes!
Next, I use a very soft paint for the face, hands, and legs.
My brain!
The mouth is red to give a cheerful look. Next, I color the t-shirt blue. For the pants, I use orange on the top and green below.
Wow!
Oh yeah!
For the toys, I use a mix of vivid and bright colors, including pink, orange, green, red, and blue.
Wow! Wow!
Each toy stands out with its vibrant design. Moving on to the teddy bear, I color the face yellow, the body vivid orange. The teddy's mouth is also bright red, with black for the nose, and the ears are highlighted in vivid orange.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yoo-hoo!
Finally, I outline the entire drawing with a black marker to give it a bold and contrasting finish. Whoa! have it, a beautiful and colorful drawing of a baby, a teddy bear, and some toys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative art videos.
Goodbye.